Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So in this question, we have got two cubes and each of these cubes are having the volume of 64 cubic centimeters. And both of them are joined end to end. And what we need to do is we need to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now this is a very simple question. We'll quickly solve this, and before we solve this, just let's understand how the cubes and the new cuboid would look like. So suppose this is our cube, right? This is a cube. Yeah. Now they're saying the volume of the cube, it's given that it's 64 cubic centimeter. So if we have to find out the edge of the cube, that's going to be cube root of 64, and that means it's 4 centimeter, right? Now the question says that these two cubes are joined end to end to each other. So now let's just draw the second cube also, which is also of the same volume, same size and same measurement of the edge. So this will look like something, it will look like this. Now the resulting cuboid, now the total size, the measurement of the resulting cuboid would be from here till here, it is going to be 4 centimeter, which we just found out, and this is also will be the 4 centimeter. Similarly, it's a cube, so this edge, which is height of the cuboid, is also 4 centimeter, and the width is this, that will also be 4 centimeter, right? So from this figure it is very clear that the the length of the resulting cuboid is equal to 4 plus 4, and that's equal to 8 centimeter. The breadth, which is this, is 4 centimeter, right? And the height, which is this, is also 4 centimeter. And what we need to find out is the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now that's very simple. The surface area of the cuboid, right, that's equal to 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus HL, right? Now let's just simply put the values and we will get the answer. So this is how it is: 8 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 8. So finally it comes like 32 plus 16 plus 32, right? So it will be like 2 multiplied by 80, 2 times 80. So that's 160 square centimeter, right? So I hope you could understand. It was a very simple question, and we are now coming up with the complete playlist for the surface area and volumes for grade 10. So keep watching this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.